When you think you can make a funny and like
hello guys, now welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Evooo Baby back again with another banger. And it is. So guys, listen, I already told you guys I'm in a transition. You know, I'm on a journey right now. You know, manifesting my dreams and whatnot. And I don't know, I just feel like what I'm about to do right now, which actually is beautiful because this is a new moon tonight. And that's how I know, that's how I know no matter how much sometimes I worry or I stress or I overthink any situation, I know that I'm really moving with the universe and I'm literally doing everything the universe wants me to do. But I don't know, I just feel like I should do this. I don't know, I just feel like it would be good. But these are my old work clothes. I'm gonna be throwing them away. Yeah, in the trash. I really want to throw all my old security clothes in the trash, but I don't know. But most likely I will. Right now, I'm just gonna start with the last company I was working with. Yeah. Yep, they're in the trash. Bye-bye. Welcome to my new life. It's like, not F you, but thank you. I had a good run with you. You guys helped me out with a lot of stuff. You guys put me, you know, put me in positions where I could be okay, but I am now following my dreams. Goodbye. Okay guys, so y'all are here with me. We taking a walk. We gotta walk to the store. Yeah, so y'all gonna be walking to the store with the kid. Yeah, hold on y'all. Fit not really fitting, but fit is fitting at the same time. You feel me? You feel me? Okay, you feel me? But I'm gonna get back with y'all. Hold on, I'm gonna clean my camera. Okay, that look better, that look better. Don't come with my weave, you know what I'm saying? It's a little crunchy. It got a little crunch, man. But so wait, cause guess what? When you put it on me, it's always gonna give bad B. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, right now, I'm just walking. I don't wanna record. I just feel like it's so loud. So I'm gonna wait for a minute till I get to a quieter spot. Okay guys, so we're about to be at the store. Obviously I don't know what I was about to say, but yeah guys, I'm about to be at the store. I don't really want to record too much because there's a lot of people out here playing music out loud and just a whole bunch of extras. Like, can you stop? You know what I'm saying? But we're almost there at the store. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the stuff in the store this time. Hopefully I can. Hold on. Okay guys, so the first store that I went in didn't even have anything. Like, it's closing down and all that. It's nothing in the store. But I went to another store, if I could call it $1 or more. It's like a mom and pop kind of dollar store. And it just got like a bunch of random stuff. But I found things that I needed. I showed y'all when I was in there. But now I'm probably just about to go ahead to, I think 7-Eleven. I don't really know this area like that because I don't go outside. I don't really care for this area. I don't plan on staying here long. After this lease is up, it's sayonara, okay? And I will never return again, all right? Thank you for the experience, but I'm gone. Okay. Hold on, y'all. I'm about to see, because it's about to be loud. Hold on, it's about to be loud. So guys, I'm back in my neighborhood. Alright y'all, so I want to talk to y'all about how I manifested my wife. Noise, like, it's way too much noise. Literally, I know y'all hear that. Why is there so much noise? So guys, I'm back home and I'm gonna let you guys watch me change my shower curtain. So, yeah. And before anybody say, that's not a shower curtain, that's all I can afford. Yeah, I know the shower curtain had stuff on it. So I had no choice but to get another one. But if you guys want to buy me an actual shower curtain, you guys could definitely tune in to my booking services. It still look cute though, and it do. And it do. 2, 3, 5. Okay guys, so I noticed when I went to go edit my video that I did not close out. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you can see every time I make a lit air post. Per and per. And also guys, don't forget to book my spiritual guidance services. Yeah, I can guide you spiritually. Y'all, I'm working on it every day. That's why I'll be changing what I be saying. It's called Elevate Spiritual Advisory. But, you know, but book me guys. But yeah guys, bye.
Y'all be safe. You know 12 out here.